am studying in second class. Now I am saying about flag. I am saying about story and flag. Once upon a time there was three best friends. The first friend was Saffron. He was very brave. He said, I teach courage and sacrifice. The second friend was White. He was very kind and calm. He said, I teach growth, peace and truth. The third friend was Green. He loved trees, swamps and rivers. He said, I teach growth and happiness. One day they met and said, alone we are colors, but together we are strong. They joined hands and became our beautiful Indian flag. When our flag flies high, our soldiers feel proud, our farmers feel hopeful, our children feel safe. Today on Republic Day, I promise my tricolors. I will be brave like saffron. I will be grow like white. I will cry like white. I will grow like green. I love my India. Proud to do an Indian. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.